Alright everybody, we're out the garden, and no fuss garden obviously, and we have got a lot. As you can see, the fruit is very tan colored, and these are pretty much mature butternuts of various forms from the crosses, and they're almost all mature, and the plants are starting to get a little rough looking. That means they're dying back and they're not wanting to produce. I mean, it is hotter than the dickens, and they've already done their job of setting the fruit. There's some interesting colored ones over there. I like those. Unfortunately, they weren't selfed. But out of all of these, and the purpose of this video is I want to share with you the selections. I made 2 selections from all these. Now, later on, as I taste these, if they're phenomenal tasting, I'll save the seed from it. As well as the 2 that I do save, if they taste awful, I won't save the seed. I won't continue. But the 2 selections I have for now are based on habit and appearance, especially one. So let me show you what those 2 are. Now this is the first selection. And the reason why I like this so much is because it's round. It's like a pumpkin, and I want to develop a small cavitied butternut-like squash. I mean, it's obviously going to taste like a butternut or very similar, but it's got a small vine, and that's the primary thing, one of the primary things I'm looking for. And you can see here, that's the length of the vine. It's not that long. Now, if these plants could have set roots along the vines, it would probably produce more squash, but I don't really care at this point. So this is definitely going to be one of the selections. It's a round, and the yellow means that I selfed it. In other words, I took a male off the same plant as this female here and selfed it, bred it to itself. So the genetics are most likely going to be a good bit of round ones in the next grow. Alright, this is my baby. You may recognize the immature version of this squash. It's in the picture of my last No Fuss Garden update, and this is the one that I really like. It's got about a 6 to 7 inch squash, well, 7 to 8 inch squash here on it, butternut. I like the duskier color. It's not tan. I like the color of this one. It was self to itself, female. Male bred to female on the same plant, and this is the, oh, it started to make another baby here. How about that? Didn't notice that, which is another good thing. But see how long that vine is? That vine is literally about 18 to 24 inches. It's less than 2 foot long, and that's all it is. Out of all that, it made a mature squash on an extremely small vine. And if you've grown butternuts, you know that these things can absolutely take over a garden. So that is a major thing, is the length of the vine. So I'm going to grow the absolute dickens out of this one. So we're going to harvest this one and the round one, and those are my 2 selections. All the others, they're going to go in storage until we eat them, and then we'll make a determination on those. And yeah, this is another one. I'm sorry you guys, I'm in Arkansas, even though I spent so long in the military all over and stuff. I still got some redneck in me. Oh me. This is Brent. We'll see you guys later.
Well, that wraps up this video. If you guys enjoyed the video, please comment, like, and subscribe. In order to subscribe, all you got to do is click the button here. We'll put a check mark next to it. If you want to get notification the next time I make a video, click on the bell here, check here, and hit save. You guys take care.